Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free to worship, free to praise, I'm free to lift up holy hands and magnify your name. I'm free to worship, free to praise, free to lift up holy hands and magnify your name. And I sing because I'm happy, and I sing because I'm free. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior has ransomed me, and like a flood His mercy reigns, unending love. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining, and the